optimismstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Friday, January 24th. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar, and at 12:05 GMT we had the Bank of England governor's speech. Investors are going to be looking for some forward guidance here because the unemployment rate in the United Kingdom is close to the 7% threshold, which was set by the Bank of England as the possibility of changing its policy. Then at 1:30 GMT we have inflation data coming out from Canada. Moving over to the stocks, the S&P 500 dropped significantly yesterday, which was a lead-in to further drops during the Asian session. Yesterday, global stocks were on the downside. Mostly we have pessimism here due to the perception that the Fed policy, the taper by the Fed, is going to have a negative impact on emerging markets. So there's been a shift towards safe haven assets and safe haven currencies. S&P 500 futures are also trading on the downside. They're down by 0.2% at the beginning of the European session. Moving over to the euro, we had a strong response yesterday to good economic data from the eurozone, as well as a move towards safe haven assets. It's now trading within a new range above a support at 136.50 and resistance at 137.10. The pound also performed well yesterday. It moved above 166 as expected. It still hasn't reached the top of this long-term trend that it's been maintaining since the end of October. However, after a strong move over the last 4 days, we could see a short-term correction before it moves higher. We have support here at 166, and our next level of resistance is at 166.50. The yen also strengthened yesterday, which pushed the dollar-yen pair to the downside. It moved below support at 103.30. However, it has since rebounded slightly. This is the 23 Fibonacci retracement level from the high at the end of December. So we could see a move on the upside today as a correction for this strong move that we had yesterday. And then finally we have gold. Gold had a strong move on the upside. This was again due to moves to safe haven assets. We still have support at 1,240, and now we have resistance, and it's getting close to resistance at 1,272. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.